Siku ya kipekee sana ambapo maaskofu kutoka katika maeneo haya yetu ya AMECEA region tumekuja kusherehekea pamoja na nyinyi misa ya kufunga mkutano ambao tumekuwa nao kwa wiki nzima.
Makofi. He has been handed over the pastoral staff and the files containing the statutes of AMECEA, and now he'll be accompanied to preside over this Mass, accompanied and sat on the official chairmanship or presidency by Cardinal Rugambwa and our Bishop Charles Kasonde. At this moment, we would like to invite our new president to preside over the Mass. Choir, you can sing a song as we begin the celebration of the Holy Mass. Welcome.
If it is not a wonder, then it is a shock that someone by far smaller than Solomon takes the position not of Solomon but of David. This is what has happened. I being very small, now I'm taking the position of Charles Kasonde, an exemplary leader who has led AMECEA for 80 years, very successful. Let us thank God for that. In this whole week, we, members of AMECEA, gathered reflecting deeply on a theme, AMECEA's synodal journey with the young people, building bridges of communion, hope, justice, and good governance. As you are all aware, the church and the youth would like to feel and live truly as one family. AMECEA, in principle, targets, intends to encourage and to guide each and every person to live well on earth and afterwards attain the kingdom of heaven. This is our goal. Each and everyone has to live well here on earth, intending finally to attain the kingdom of heaven. That's why it was very essential for us to reflect with the youth, particularly praying for them to be able to see, to judge, and act appropriately. And I would acknowledge, and I still acknowledge, that the people who are members of AMECEA are the chosen people of God. You are numerous. No one can count. So it brings me and others who are taking this position of being leaders, it brings them to fear.